Good morning students. In previous video we have completed our chapter Scratch Programming and Introduction. So today we will do some exercise. Students, first we will do this fill in the blanks. First, a collection of computer programs, libraries and related data are referred to a software. Second, any object that goes on stage is a sprite. Means whatever you will keep on the stage, means where your program is going to be, that character is said to be sprite. That small character is sprite. Third, code in Scratch comes as dash. Code in Scratch comes as blocks, and you know all the blocks like motion, pen, stamp, control, these all are our blocks. Fourth, all of the blocks in the selected dash are shown in a list. Answer is all of the blocks in the selected category are shown in the list. Whatever category you will select, it will show in the blocks. Now fifth, code block run from dash to dash. Code block run from top to bottom. Now students, come this question and answer. Our first question is, what is computer program? Answer is, a computer program is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task when executed by a computer. Means whatever work you are doing till your computer start to shut is a program only. Next, write the task that a programming include, and the answer is, programming includes related tasks such as testing, debugging and maintaining the source code, implementation of the building system and management of derived artifacts such as machine code of computer program. This all works including programming. Now our third question is, what is Scratch and where it is generally used? And the answer is, Scratch is a programming language and an online community that creates your own interactive stories, animation, games, music and art. Where it is used? Scratch is used in school around the world as a means of introducing basic computer programming. It is also used outside school, means for creating games, for creating stories, for animation, for making animations, music. We are using Scratch. Now come to the fourth question answer. How can you use motion code block for your sprite? Write any 6 uses. And the answer is, we can use motion code block for our sprite by dragging a code category which motion block contains. 6 uses of code block are: first, move forward or backward. Whatever instruction you will give by dragging and dropping, it will do like that. Second, turn right by certain degrees. Third, turn left, right, up or down in given direction. Fourth, shift the rotation style. Fifth, go to the desired position. And the sixth is, bounce if touches the edge of the stage. This all works we can do with the motion code block. Now students, come to the fifth question answer. Write any 6 uses of sound code block, and the answer is, Following are the uses of sound code block. First, play sound. Second, you can choose a sound from the menu. Play a sound, waits until the sound is finished. Third, stop all sounds. Fourth, plays a drum sound for a specific number of beats. Fifth, report sprite sound volume. And the sixth is set sound volume to a specific volume. Means which type of sound you want. If you want any sound of any animal character, any drum beats, any music, whatever you want, you can use with this block, sound block. Now come to the sixth question answer. Write any 6 uses of pen code block, and the answer is following are the use of pen block. First, clear all pen marks and stamp from this stage. Second, stamps the sprite image onto stage. Change pen color by a specific amount. Change pen set by a specific amount. Change pen size specific amount. And 6, puts down sprite pen so the sprite will draw as it moves. Means with the help of this pen block, you can change the size of the sprite, you can change the image on the stage, you can change color, you can change shade, you can change size, everything you can change according to you with the help of pen block. Students, I hope you understand this video. You have to write this fill in the blanks and question answer in your computer notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.